Okay, so we got another one here. So we have this little MotorMaster 400 watt inverter that I want to plug into our new to us motorhome. So I've got some leftover solar panel wire here. So we're just going to strip the ends, put some butt connectors on, connect those up to here, and then go over to the RV and connect it into the RV. All right, so let's do that. So we need a few tools for this. We're gonna need our crimping tools, some wire strippers, or you can do it all in one. There's wire strippers and a crimper right in the center there. And then we need some little connectors. So I've gone ahead and I've stripped it, done a test one to see if this fits. Put that in, you can see it's right there. And just give it a good squish. That is going nowhere. Not going anywhere, and we won't do the other side until we're in the RV and we know how long those cables need to be to get to the battery. So we're good there. Now we can just take off these guys. That little cigarette lighter guy that I had in there. So we are going to connect those up. Okay. And I had Velcro actually. I remember I was a service technician years ago for a telecom company, and I had this in my van. That's where this one came from. And so I had it plugged into the ashtray, and that was Velcroed to the side of the dash or something. So we'll probably do something like similar to that for this installation. All right, we're back in the RV, and we are going to be installing this 400 watt inverter. That'll give us 120 volt power, just a little bit, when we are boondocking. So we have power right here coming from the battery, and so we're just going to tap into that panel, and we can add up to a 20 amp fuse. But first things first, we need to shut the power off. So we're going to disconnect the 110 30 amp plug, and we're going to disconnect the battery as well. Connected right up in the top corner, right up here. I've got a switch. Okay, battery cut off. Done. All right, let's get back into the trailer. All right, so we are back in the trailer, and we are going to just mount our 40 watt inverter on the side here. So we're going to put some double-sided sticky tape on. I'm going to put that right up in the corner right there, and then we're going to run the line down and into that bay. And it looks like my helper just showed up. Who do I got?
I'm not actually helping, I'm just putting away stuff.
You just put, oh, that goes in the garage. Can you put it in the garage on my dad's blue counter?
Yeah.
In there? Thank you. Come over here, you can help me peel these off.
Where those are for my seat.
We're putting in an inverter.
Where that is for my seat.
Yeah, just so that when we're on the road, if we want to plug something in when we're driving. Man, this is hard to peel off. Peel that sticker off right there.
I know.
You pull it?
I'm not trying. I help you that one.
Sure. You pull it off. Thank you.
Hey, Mommy, you give me that toolbox you got from a shed.
Yeah, it's right in here. The hammer right there.
No, that's not racing toast. That toolbox. That toolbox.
Show me. Where is it?
Show you.
Oh, that's a good one. You want me to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, come around to the front. Let's open it.
I wish you know open it.
Yeah, I know how to open it. I'll show you. See this button right here, Rosie?
Yeah.
You just press it like that. Try right here. You just have to press it over like that. Looks like it looks like it's Oswald's stuff in here.
Sometimes I don't want me to.
Did you ask him? All right, so we got that mounted. Now we just need to drill a hole through here, and we'll get into the electrical bay. Got a little piece of this little protectant cover. We're just going to push this through all to the top up there. And we'll just either zap strap or take some black electrical tape. That way it doesn't come apart up there. Alright, so I've got these black pan head screws. I'm just going to take 2 of those and we're going to screw into that little connector there to hold that in tight. Okay, it's a little bit of a tricky move here. So we want to hold that up as much as we can and in as much as we can. Perfect. Okay, I like that. That's good. Okay, so we're working on the other side now. So that's all looking dandy. Coming around to this side, we got to take that cable there. We're going to pull it in to our inverter box, tap in to our hot and our neutral. All right, so here we are on the other side. Power is off. This could come around this bar if we wanted. Or it could just come right down, just like all the other cables. Alright, so we've just taken the neutral, which is the black wire in this case, and we've connected it to the neutral of the converter board here. And the power is off. Now we're just going to tighten down that little bolt there. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to take our hot, which is the red in this case, and we're going to bring it in and we're going to put it on 1, 8, or 9, which in this case are the blanks. I'll zoom in here. 1 there's no fuse, 8 there's no fuse, and 9 there's no fuse. And then up here it does say maximum 85 amps, 12 volts, max 20 amps. Right, so the cables are both coming down and around into the back here. We're just going to put it in that fuse spot right there. So we got to just strip back. Not much.
Dad?
Yes.
You need that shoe dryer?
Yes.
Which one?
This one that I'm working on right now?
No, it's shoe dryer.
Well, which one? Which screwdriver?
This
The drill?
No, shoe dryer.
Yeah, you can take the drill.
What showers?
That's a drill that you got.
But why don't tell Shushi? It's supposed to make hole. I need a hole. Dad,
Yeah,
you
but
take this one off and make that big one, and it mash it, and it turns, and it makes a hole.
you want a drill bit on there?
Yeah, but it's a hole on.
Yeah, I can help you with
Two
that. Here.
holes.
Okay. Okay, that's in there tight.
What Shushi?
I think he's saying he wants one of these. Is this what you're saying?
Yeah.
Let's see. You want to make holes?
Yeah. You help me with
Okay, this is really sharp.
Why?
That could cut you. Okay, you gonna go drill? Okay, see you later, Mr. Booty. All right, we need to grab a 25 amp fuse or a 20 amp fuse. Okay, I found a 20 amp fuse. Actually, I have a whole bundle of them. Okay, we are in. All right, so the 20 amp fuse is in. So we are good to shut this panel and turn the power back on. All right, the power has been turned back on, and we are going to try flicking the switch here. So here we go. We got power. All right, so that is a wrap for installing the 400 watt inverter. It's on and working. You can see the power light turn on there. And so if we ever don't have shore power and we're boondogging, we at least have something there to run the laptop or small appliance. So there you go. Thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe.
It's a hot day, Dad. You can do it. awning, awning, awning.